So a viewer recently asked me where I get my wood chunks to use in my small Oklahoma Joe offset smoker, and the answer is I make them myself. I buy basically a truckload of these large kiln-dried oak splits, and I turn them into the little chunks that work best with a small smoker like mine. It's pretty straightforward if you got the right tools, and I'll show you how I do that now. So pretty simple, huh? If you've got the right tools to do it. Some kind of electric miter saw, a splitting axe, or a wedge like the one I have to make those wide splits narrower. You've got all the hardwood chunks you could ever need. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay up to date with all our latest stuff, including future wood and smoking videos. And consider supporting us on Patreon at patreon.com/Great Lakes Country. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'm John, and this is Great Lakes Country.